Hello and good morning. Another fine day to be working.
Party with Cardi body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. You ain't gang, you lame. Belly truck laying the lane. Got the brain.
Hello and good morning. Another fine day to be working. The weather outside is beautiful and we are in another part of the country. So today we have a few cars in for some maintenance cleans with Artisan Automotive, and I'm going to show you the first one that we are working on. This beauty, 2017 Nissan GTR. The beautiful spec, looks like carbon ceramic brakes. And yes, the car is filthy, which shows the owner has been taking this on a wild hoot. We have already started on the inside of the car, so the interior has already had its clean. Beautiful interior with the red and black contrast stitching. Carbon fibre on the centre console. Leather wrapped around the dashboard. So what a beautiful car. This car is having regular maintenance inside and out, and then obviously finished off with detailing spray. So that's the first beauty. The second beauty in for the clean is this beautiful Mercedes G-Wagon. As you can see, this also has red leather seats. This is the V8 bi-turbo, so absolute beast. Look at the stance on this. So this is in for a full valet. H has already started on the interior, so giving it that good wipe down, making sure we get behind all the delicate areas, including these areas here. Seats will have some leather protection once we've done the deep clean, and then we will add spray sealant to the exterior. The vehicle after that will be this Mercedes SLK, and the last vehicle is, you'll see when it comes. Other than that, let's get this show on the road. So the GTR is all complete. Looking what we like to say, artisan fresh. Have a look at this movie. So, how does it look? Hopefully you'd like to say it's looking arty fresh. Black GTR, black and red leather interior. What more can you want? Time to start the next car. So current progress so far is the GTR has been done and that has gone. We'll be coming back in a bit. The G-Wagon is complete. So this was in for a full valet. Also had protection on the outside, which was a spray sealant, which is obviously giving it its gloss levels. The SLK in the background has been completed, and the Bentayga is dwelling rather nicely, so the snow foam is doing its job, breaking down all that dirt. These cars are absolutely beautiful. If you haven't seen a Bentayga before, it's a very, very big car, similar to a Range Rover Vogue, but obviously with a little bit more luxury, and that's very hard to say because I do like Range Rovers, but this for creature comforts is definitely at the top of the pile. So I'm going to let the snow foam dry for a little bit, and then I will rinse off, see what the current situation is, and then I'll start on the 2 bucket wash method. So state of affairs today is a busy day, as you can see, but can't say we don't love it. Finishing touches by that guy over there. Let's get cracking on the Bentley. So 3 cars down and 1 car to go. The Bentley is currently being dried. So while that's being dried, let me give you a quick walk around on what has been done. The G-Wagon now looking arty fresh. Full valet on the G-Wagon, decontamination on the wheels, sealant for protection on the exterior, deep clean on the leather seats and protected, looking absolutely immaculate. Look at this beauty. Take you around to the interior so we can see what the interior is looking like. Obviously that is down so we don't dirty up the carpets, but look at this. Fresh. Same like the SLK, looking beautiful, glossy. The GTR has just come back. So a quick walk around the SLK. Interior, whoa, it's now looking artisan fresh. All that's left to do is drive the Bentley and then we are done. Catch ya. So all the cars are now complete, and the last one that you had to see was this beautiful Bentley Bentayga after its artisan clean. Give you a quick look at the interior of these beautiful beasts. So Beautiful beast, all completely right as an automotive. Thank you for watching this video. You've had a good day. Hope you've enjoyed it. And always remember, whatever you do,